Welcome to Appliance Codes, your trusted source for appliance repair tips and guides. Today we're tackling the Whirlpool Duet Dryer E1 error code. This error typically indicates an issue with the thermistor or its wiring. Stay tuned and we'll walk you through how to diagnose and fix this error step by step. The E1 error code means the control system has detected an open thermistor, which is crucial for monitoring the temperature inside your dryer. If the thermistor is faulty or there's a wiring issue, your dryer won't function properly. Before we begin, always remember to unplug your dryer from the electrical outlet. Safety first. To access the thermistor, we'll need to remove the front panel of the dryer. If you need specific instructions for removing the panel, you can find detailed guides on our website, Appliance Codes. Once you have access to the thermistor, inspect the wiring harness that connects the thermistor to the control board. Look for any loose, disconnected, or damaged wires. Repair or replace any faulty wiring as needed. Next, we'll test the thermistor using a multimeter. Set your multimeter to the ohms setting and connect the probes to the thermistor terminals. Refer to the image on your screen to see what the correct resistance range should be. If the reading is outside this range or shows an open circuit, the thermistor is faulty. If the thermistor is defective, you'll need to replace it. Disconnect the faulty thermistor from the wiring and secure a new manufacturer-approved thermistor in its place. Make sure all connections are secure. With the new thermistor installed, it's time to reassemble the dryer. Replace the front panel, ensuring all screws are tight and secure. Finally, plug your dryer back into the electrical outlet and run a test cycle. If the E1 error code does not reappear, you've successfully fixed the issue. If the error persists, there may be a deeper problem with the control board that requires professional assistance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit Appliance Codes for more appliance repair tips and guides.